Hi, kids! Today, we're going to learn about an amazing machine that helps farmers gather wheat from their fields. It's called a wheat harvester. Are you ready to find out how wheat harvesters work and why they're so important? A wheat harvester, also known as a combine harvester, is a super cool machine that cuts, threshes, and cleans wheat all in one go. Let's take a closer look at a wheat harvester and see how it works. First, let's look at the parts of the wheat harvester. At the front, it has a big cutting header that cuts the wheat plants. Then, there's a feeder house that moves the wheat into the machine. Inside, there's a threshing drum that separates the wheat grains from the stalks. The grains get collected in a grain tank, while the leftover stalks and leaves get thrown out the back. So, how does a wheat harvester work? When the harvester moves through the field, the cutting header cuts the wheat plants and feeds them into the machine. Inside, the threshing drum shakes the grains loose from the stalks. The grains are collected in a big grain tank, and the leftover parts, called chaff, get spread out on the field to help the soil. Why do farmers use wheat harvesters? Before these machines were invented, people had to gather wheat by hand, which was really hard work and took a long time. Wheat harvesters make the job much faster and easier, allowing farmers to gather tons of wheat in no time. This helps us have plenty of wheat for our favorite foods like bread, pasta, and cereals. Did you know that wheat harvesters can handle different types of crops? Besides wheat, they can also harvest crops like barley, oats, and rye. These machines are very versatile and can work in all kinds of fields, from small farms to huge ones. Here are some fun facts about wheat harvesters. Did you know that some wheat harvesters can harvest up to 100 acres in a single day? That's like 75 football fields, and the biggest wheat harvesters can weigh as much as 30 elephants. Modern harvesters even have GPS and computers inside to help drive them and keep track of the harvest. So, the next time you enjoy a slice of bread or a bowl of cereal, remember the amazing wheat harvester that helped bring that food from the field to your table. Wheat harvesters are truly awesome machines that make farming easier and help feed the world. Thanks for learning with us today. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and learning. Keep watch a video of how harvesters works.